3 minutes before sleep. Simple exercises to slim down your legs. Fitness coaches say that the most important thing about working out is persistence. However, let's be honest with ourselves, daily exercise is not the most exciting thing to do. It's easier to strive for the perfect shapes with due diligence if you know that your exercises won't take a lot of time. Number 1. Toning front part of the thighs. It works and tones the front part of the thighs, knees, and abs. The initial position must be lying on your back, arms down on both sides of the body. Raise your legs so that they make a 90-degree angle with your body. Don't bend your knees. Pull your toes up. Bend your knees one by one, and return your legs to the initial position. Keep your knees together, and keep the front part of your thighs tensed. Repeat 10 times for each leg. Self-check if you're doing it right. Feeling hot in your muscles important. In the initial position, your knees should be as straight as possible. Number 2. Toning the back part of the thighs. It works and tones the front and back part of the thighs, knees, and abs. This exercise consists of 2 parts. The first part, the initial position lying on your back, legs raised, toes pulled toward your body. Hold your knees together, and bend your knees one by one. Important, your toes should always be pulled toward your body, and your heels should reach your buttocks. Repeat 10 times for each leg. The second part, the initial position lying on your back, legs raised and a little bit bent at the knees. Make swings with both legs, raising your buttocks and keeping the upper part of your legs tensed. Repeat 20 times. Self-check if you're doing it right, feeling the tension in the muscles of the back part of your thighs and feeling a slight burning. Number 3. Toning the inner part of the thighs. It works and tones the upper part of the legs, buttocks, and abs. The initial position, lying on your back, keeping your legs raised and crossed with your right leg over your left leg. Both legs are tensed and pressed against each other. Bend your knees toward the sides to make a play movement, and then return to the initial position. Important, your legs should always be tensed and pressed against each other. Repeat 10 times with your right leg in the upper position and 10 times with your left leg in the upper position. Self-check if you're doing it right. Feeling leg pressure, knees control. Bonus time. One of the biggest advantages of this set of exercises is that it can be very useful for those who suffer from swollen legs and varices. But there is a way to get rid of swelling, pain, and the feeling of tiredness in the legs if those are caused not by a disease but by an unhealthy mode of living, such as sedentary work, the wrong shoes, or a lack of physical activity. Specialists suggest 3 simple rules. Walking. It might seem strange, but the more you walk the less your legs swell and become painful. The most important condition is comfortable footwear. An optimal amount of walking is 30-60 minutes. 3 times a week. In order to speed up blood flow, walk for 10 minutes every 2 hours. Exercise for the ankles. Every time you remember this, bend your ankles for 20-30 times, pulling your toes toward and away from your body. This exercise improves blood circulation and helps to remove excess liquid. If you like fitness, go for swimming or water aerobics. Struggling against water pressure helps to improve water and blood flow in the limbs. What do you think about these methods of improving the health of your legs? Share your opinion with us in the comments.